actually one of my favourite glass trucks.
This one?
Like the old ones. It's my favourite. Yeah.
They can be a pain to drive just because it's so old.
Yeah. Yeah. Normally on this truck you can normally give this one a shake because then it all comes out.
Yeah.
On the new Isuzus I don't think you can shake it that much because it's got that thing where, yeah. Yeah, Trinity.
Oh, Trinity.
Yeah, I've seen you go up Retro Street a few times on a Tuesday.
Yeah. I was with Anne once when you were. It was quite
Oh
a few
yeah,
months ago.
when you were in the side loader truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw you on Tuesday. You started up Bar Street and I waved to you. That was me at the corner.
Yeah, and 3 of us were kind of there.
Yeah, there was like so many trucks going past. None of them waved.
Oh, what?
Like Bruce, Wayne, Michael, Mark. I waved to them. They were going along Clark Valley Road. Didn't see me.
Did I wave to you?
Yeah, you did. That's pretty much all. Yeah. Yeah.
You might be broken.
Yeah. Yeah, that one looks. Do you go down Mitchell Ave now?
Not now.
Oh, do you
do
go?
the rest of this is Algan Road.
Yeah.
I do the rest of Algan and then
Then come back.
yeah, and then I come back and listen.
Oh yeah, and you don't do those side streets. That's all Blair, eh?
No, yeah, that's cool.
Alright. You know, you can pull these drawers out and push all the stuff in once you tip it in, because if you sort it all and then there's like green left, you can clip it and then pull it out and then push it all and then clip it in. It's really fast instead of just sorting it all.
I'll just say my phone.
Oh yeah.
I've got a really short gun.
Oh yeah.
It's too fast and I have weight.
Oh yeah, true.
When I do my bigger runs, I did more skill in this one, so I would put it in the trail.
Oh, I see it.
So I had a day off yesterday, I changed into a break. So
Oh yeah.
this one,
Yeah.